고민이 영수. 예, 바오니.
Mo wa dada.
In Latin Korea now, how would I say? It's morning. It's morning.
Oh, it's morning. So morning in Yoruba is aro.
Aro.
Aro. Aro. Aro. So you say, see, listen. See, the word raw is soft. So when maybe you cooking something and it's boiled, is done, you can say, oh, raw. That means it's soft. Or maybe a language like Yoruba, you can say Yoruba raw. That means Yoruba is simple to learn, right? So anything you say raw to is soft, easy, not hard. So when you just say raw, it's talking about the texture of the money. Dough, yeah, you even know what I mean. Dough, raw. So it's talking about the texture of the day. That morning is still soft. Everywhere is still cool. You can still wear 3-piece suit. You can still wear agbada because the texture of the day is raw in that space of time. So you say raw. Raw. So when you are perfect. Great. So that is why the word for weather in Yoruba, the weather is oju ojo. So the face of the day, the eye of the day. So you look at it to say, will it rain? Will it be sunny? Right? Because it's oju ojo weather. So oju ojo raw. That means the weather, this texture is still soft. So you say raw. Right. So afternoon in Yoruba is osan. So the word son means to crack. The word son means to crack. For example, when your ceramic cracks, not break, but cracks. So it's talking about now the sun, sun, has cracked open. So people in the morning, so it's no longer soft again. Everywhere is ash because the sun has cracked open, right? So you remove your agbada, you remove your suit because the sun is hot and the heat is there. And evening is ìrọ̀lẹ́. You see the word raw coming to place again. And ile is grand, ile is floor, ile is the head. So he's saying the ground is becoming soft again. Otin raw ile. So the ground is becoming soft again. So ale is night. So you see, our day is just talking about our existence. So aro, in the morning of your life, you are still depending on your parent, on people, right? You are living a soft life, so to speak. You are living a soft life. But when you get to the afternoon of your life, you see the sun has cracked open.
Yeah.
You are walking, you are sweating it out, you are doing then yeah, everything is now kia at that point.
Right?
Yeah. Then you now move to ìrọ̀lẹ́, which is the evening of your life, where it's becoming soft again because you worked in the afternoon. So you are now enjoying the dividends, the fruit of your labor is becoming soft again. Then alẹ́, you relax and be chilling by the beach and be enjoying what you have labored for. Then you die.
No.
Right. Just saying. So it's talking about the morning of your life, the afternoon, the evening, and the night. Just as you have morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So you see that Yoruba is giving us how our life is being played out just as we live day by day, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Àárọ̀, soft. Ọ̀sán, ash. Ìrọ̀lẹ́, becoming soft again. Alẹ́, a soft back.
Wow, great. Well, great language, is it? Oh, so great language. Yeah.
All right.